Alright, road trip to San Francisco. I got the Sur in the trunk, took the front wheel and the handlebars off. It fit beautifully. It's about a 7-hour drive. I've got a ride out planned with my man Andy Harris from Sur Pit Stop. We got a bunch of people coming out. Should be a good time. Stay tuned.
That we uniquely create these markets that were supposed to be foolproof.
Alright, it's a couple days later. It's Valentine's Day, Sunday. Back out here with Andy. He's doing some work on my front wheel. We've got the ride out in about 2 hours. We're just getting ready. It is time. We're on our way to the meetup spot. Apparently there's already somebody there. We out. And I can like barely... I'm sorry about that. Okay. So we're both on the 72 volt Surons here in Berkeley, just outside San Francisco. For real, I thought I was ballsy and I'm riding with him. I'm like, damn. Oh my god. Yeah. Looks great. Yay! That was a really good one.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Wheelie master, man. It's crazy. The one that goes 80 miles per hour.
Yeah, both of us actually. We have the same mods.
We have the same mods.
Oh. You good? I don't think I got it. Are you okay?
Simple yet, you know, it has its fun.
What up?
What up, boys? Logan.
Yo.
David.
Logan.
Logan, pleasure.
Monster,
What's
yes,
up?
sir.
Hell yeah, dude. You're fucking famous. No, stop.
Oh, I gotta get a picture with you.
Walk up my reveal.
No. So when you jet brake,
I still smiled even though I got the helmet on.
we got the old man on the one wheel.
Oh, yeah. We got the dude from the last
So we don't have our leader here yet, do we?
No, we do. You got us.
The two of you?
Yeah.
In the tour.
So thank you guys all for coming out. I'm really excited about this. So Berkeley police know we're coming. Let's be safe and not kill ourselves, and nothing into oncoming traffic.
We out.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wheelie out from the start. Wheelie out from the start. He's just walking. Just bouncing off that brake. Damn, boy.
Yeah. 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 Woo. Let's go. Yeah, exactly. Let's see it. Yeah. I'm taking the lead. I'm taking the lead. Yeah, let's fucking go. You're crazy, dude. You're fucking all over the place here. Gotcha. Hey, hey, hey.
If you get caught on the Suron with the cocktail, you are doing something wrong.
Yeah, let's fucking get it. I saw you.
You can steer, huh?
Yeah.
Just like I do. Twist the hips and
Yeah.
what's up, bro?
Yeah, you got it. Whoa. Whoa. So bad. Back.
Right on.
Aw, damn, I feel bad, man.
No, don't worry about it.
Yeah, walk up. Get the blood moving a little bit. Pita pata.
No, I've never tried one of these before.
Oh my god.
Right, the more impressed I am.
Wow.
You can help me. I can't find the snaps for this top one.
Yeah, it's a tough one, huh? There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Dude, if my fucking... I have no idea if my bike is waterproof. Yep. We're almost back at the meet point. It's been raining like this whole time, so I don't know how the footage looks, and I haven't really been doing any wheelies, but...
See you guys later, man.
Pleasure, dude.
Alright, boys.
We'll ride again.
Yeah, I'm on